Happy 4th of July, everyone. Just want a quick reminder, everyone. The Monday is going to be a federal holiday here in the United States. We are going to be celebrating the declaration of our Independence Day, which was established back in July 4, 1776. So we are going to be taking off on Monday to celebrate, the 4th of July once again. There's a lot of families that are gonna be doing fireworks. They're gonna be doing a family reunion. They're gonna be doing concert, barbecue, picnic, parade, baseball game, and so on. So there will be a lot of people off on Monday. Please, guys, do not trade on Sunday and Monday, okay? Because it's gonna be a federal holiday. So, but welcome to our Forex Weekly analysis for the week of July 4 to the 8th. So let's go ahead and review the first pair of the week. So we are gonna go ahead and start with Euro GBP. Quick reminder to everyone, guys, I will be taking off. This is gonna be the only analysis that you're gonna be getting on July, because I'm gonna be traveling this coming Friday. I will be out of town, outside of the country, celebrating the month of July. All right, so but here's our Euro GBP. This is what I'm seeing, guys. Always pay attention to your dashboard. Look at here, the daily time frame is telling us that we are selling, but the 4 hours is contradicting. So when you do see a contradiction, guys, it's very important for you to stay away from the market. Please, guys, if you don't know how to trade, don't trade the month of July. The month of July, a lot of people are taking off the market, so they're gonna be celebrating their family, doing family reunion, barbecue, picnic. There's a lot of activity they're gonna be doing, so stay away from the market if you can't. But this is what I'm seeing here, guys. So multiple time frame is letting us know here on Euro GBP that it is selling. Here's multiple time frame. Our TW sniper entries also confirming that we are selling. But look at here, this is a contradiction. Why? It's telling us the market is in a buy position. Look, it's buying. It's exactly going in an uptrend. So it's exactly what it's showing us here on our dashboard. So basically what the market is doing, guys, the market is doing a pullback at this present time. So this is what I'm seeing here. So for this coming week, guys, the market will come back and retest this previous red arrow here. Look at here, boom, boom, previous touch, very nice and neat. It's gonna be retesting your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level, and then from there, market will be continue selling down, retesting your 61.8 Fibonacci level. It's gonna come back and retest your previous multiple time frame in here. Then the market will do a small retracement. Guys, please remember, Monday it is a holidays. We are gonna be celebrating 4th of July, doing barbecue, fireworks, family reunion, concert, picnics. There will be some parades here in Washington DC. If you live in Washington DC, enjoy Monday. It will be a lot of fun being there, so stay safe, and it's the most important thing on this. All right, guys, so let's move on to the next pair of the week. So the next one that I'm gonna give you guys, it is Euro USD. Boom, look at what Euro USD, look at what I told you guys last week, guys. I told everyone, guys, the market is only selling, and it did exactly what I told you. That was amazing. So our multiple time frame is letting us know here that we are selling. Our TW sniper entries also confirming that we are selling the market, which is amazing. Look at all these stairs. Look at the stairs, guys. The stairs don't lie. Look, when the market is selling, you will be getting this beautiful stair letting you know the market is only selling. When it's bullish, you're gonna be getting these green stairs telling us the market is going where? It is going up. But in this scenario here, Euro USD, it is only selling at this present time. This is what you need to be careful, guys. Please pay close attention what I'm gonna say here. So you need to pay attention. Here's previous multiple time frame came and touched this level here. Here's the second time it came and retested. So this is what my understanding is for this coming week, guys. This is a second touchdown that is coming to the market right where you see it. So in my opinion, this is what the market will be doing. So market is gonna come back again, retest this multiple time frame once again, and from there market will be making a buy position, retesting your 23 to your 38.2 Fibonacci level, and from there market will continue as a sell position, because overall we are selling. So what is the meaning of this buy position that I'm looking to trade here, guys? What I'm seeing here is the market is gonna give us here a pullback going as a buy trend. All right, fair enough. Any question, guys? Hopefully you guys are finding value, guys, so far. If you are, please go ahead, make sure you do subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you are finding, you know, this so far so good on the market. So please, guys, do not trade on Monday. It's just a reminder that I need to bring it up again. It's gonna be a holiday. Do not trade on Sunday. Do not trade on Monday. It is a federal holiday. We are going to be celebrating the Independence Day, which was signed back in July 4, 1776. So enjoy this time to be with your loved ones, okay? All right, the next pair that I have, it is Euro AUD. Boom! Look at what Euro USD is doing, guys. Oh my God. Give me a hell yeah, guys. Oh yeah, trust me, it is booming, it's booming, it's booming. Let me put the volume up, making sure you guys hear me, all right? Oh yeah! Perfect, perfect. All right, let's go. Look at here. What is the dashboard saying here, guys? On Euro AUD, look at this one. The daily time frame and the 4 hours is saying, Irving, we are on a buy position. Now, it's time for you to investigate if that is accurate, all right? Already? Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Look at now. Look at this one, guys. Look at here. Multiple time frame is saying that we are in a buy position. What is our TW snapper entry saying? It's saying that we are on the buy position. I'm telling you. So that means it's saying that we are. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair going? The stairs are going only in one direction. That is in a buy position. Therefore, here is a continuation of the buy position. Going where? Going to the moon, because it is freaking amazing, guys. Look at here. Where's the market heading? Market is going up. So this is my understanding for this coming week. Market is still gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame once again. And then from there, we are looking to see a pullback. So market will be selling as a pullback. Then we'll take resume back to business as a buy position. Anyway, this coming week, guys, the market is gonna be open only 4 days. It's gonna be open on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And once again, I will be taking off. This is the last week that you're gonna get the weekly analysis, and then I will be taking off the entire week of the entire month of July, and I'm coming back on August. Okay, I just wanted to remind everyone that I will be back on August, so I'm taking the entire month off to enjoy my family. All right. All right, the next pair that I have for you guys, it is USD JPY. Boom! Look at this beautiful. I'm telling you guys, my heart goes like, my heart is beeping 100 miles an hour, guys. I'm telling you. So this is what I'm seeing here. Look at the dashboard. It's very important. Look at the contradiction, guys. This week is very bad week to trade, guys. The market is not cooperating. All the time frame are disagreeing. One is telling us that it's in a buy, another is telling us that it's in a sell. If the market is contradicting, it's not your job to be trading that pair. But I have to give you the content so you can learn when there is issues, so you can stay away. Overall, USD JPY, it is in a buy position. Look at here, multiple time frames saying we are bullish. TW sniper entry is also saying that we are bullish. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair going? The stairs are only going in one direction. That direction, it is bullish. Another quick reminder to everyone, guys, stop paying for signals. Stop wasting your money. Learn how to trade, guys. If anyone in this industry teach you what I'm teaching you here, real data, things that is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, stay with them. If not, if they're gonna be teaching you the following, right? This is why usually a lot of traders say, oh yeah, if you see the multiple time frame here, we're gonna put multiple time frame as an example. If you see the multiple time frame in here, your job was to take all this massive piff going out. Now you guys see the multiple time frame, your job is to take all the way down. No. They need to teach you real data, what is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If they're not doing that, you need to walk away because that is not good, guys. And guys, and also I learned this. Some other traders are using my weekly analysis to sell you guys as a those weekly membership, you know, to say your signals. Be careful. You know, I'm giving you here all this weekly analysis for free, so your job is to do due diligence, guys. And if anyone ever send you a message saying that I'm gonna be you know, reviewing your account, that is a scam, please be careful. Be careful. Always do due diligence. Anything that I'm gonna say here on YouTube so you can hear, okay? Because it's very important, very important for everyone to know. And remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. Or I'm telling you stop paying for signal, learn how to trade. And the most importantly on this, guys, on the disclaimer is do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose. All right, so this is what I'm seeing here on USD JPY. All we know that USD JPY is bullish. So what I'm seeing this coming week, guys, market is giving us a what? And look, we are in a brand new month. We are half of the year already. So here the market is giving us a pullback as a sell position. So pullback is very valid right now, letting us know the market is still gonna come back and retest your 23.6 Fibonacci level, which is a lot of support and resistance in this level area here. And then from there, market will do a small retracement, retesting this previous support and resistance once again. There is multiple time frame here again, and then from there we are gonna continue selling down. So this, what I'm expecting to see on USD JPY, guys, is I'm expecting to see the TW sniper entry to show us in this area here, so we can be riding this long-term sell position. The 4 hours, the only thing that I can see here is the 4 hours is already selling, and that is exactly what you are seeing here. But unfortunately, the daily, weekly, and monthly is going up. So this is exactly what the market is doing. It's that simple. You see how I break it down? I break it down reality, guys. This is what I'm telling you the market will be doing. And this is not 100% accurate, but at least you have an educated opinion of where the market is going to be heading. But the only thing I'm not telling you is, oh yeah, you shouldn't make all these pip here, because that's the past. That's not gonna happen. It already passed. It already passed. My job is to know how many pips I'm gonna be grabbing the rest of the remainder of the week. All right. Always do not pay for signal. Bottom line in here. All right. The next pair that I have for you guys is one of the most tradable pair in the world. And that is. Go ahead and give me a round of applause, guys. And that is USD GBP US what? D! Let's go! Look at this beautiful pair here. Look at what the dashboard is saying. This is what you need to be looking. Look at the daily time frame saying that we are in a sell. Look at what the 4 hours is saying. It's saying that we are in a sell. Beautiful. Now we need to spy for our multiple time frame to go in the same direction of our TW sniper entry. Look at this beautiful trade here. Boom! Boom! Look at that. Look at the sell. And look at that. It has never recovered from that sell. Look at what the market is doing. Gorgeously. It's doing exactly what our multiple time frame is letting us know here. But what you need to understand here, this is a very key level in here, guys. Here's a multiple time frame. So the market came here and retest this level here this past Friday. So we are in a brand new month. We are on our 4th of July Independence Week, right? Celebrating our July 4, 1976, when it was signed and ratified, you know, by by the Second Continental Congress back in July 4, 1776. But this is what I'm seeing here, guys. Market is going to be in a pullback, giving us a buy position. Most likely it's gonna come back and retest your previous 38.2 Fibonacci. Look at these levels here, beautiful, beautiful. Here's a previous multiple time frame as well. And then from there, market will continue as a sell because we are selling, guys. GBP USD is selling, we'll be selling, then boom, market will continue as a buy. This is what I'm hoping to see here, guys. I'm expecting to see here our TW sniper entry to show us that yes, we are gonna be in a long-term buy position. That is exactly what I'm seeing, guys. What do you guys, is anyone here confused, guys? Because if you are, it's very important for me to see in which area I need to help you out, guys. Let me know if you guys want me to make a small video, any pair that I probably missed today. Remember, I will be taking off the entire month of July, guys. This is most likely the last week of weekly analysis that you're gonna be getting. But all we're doing today, guys, we are reviewing our Forex weekly analysis for the week of July 4 to the 8th. We are celebrating our Independence Day. It's a federal holiday here in the United States, and that's when it was the Declaration on Independence, and it was ratified by the Second Continental Congress on July 4, 1776. That was a long term, guys. There's a lot of celebrations gonna happen this week, guys. It's gonna be we're gonna be doing fireworks, family reunion, concert, barbecue, picnic, parade, baseball games. So some of us are gonna be traveling outside of the country, you know, enjoying the world and so on. So the month of July is gonna be very dead on the market, so stay away if it's possible. All right, once again, guys, I want to thank everybody for being here. God bless you, God bless the United States, and God bless your family. And as I always tell you guys, stay safe. Pray to God to give you the strength, your health, and so on, and always stay healthy. Once again, enjoy this week, guys. Enjoy it with your family. Love you guys. Peace out. Team with Irvin. Let's go.